everyone. Welcome back to English Learning Key. Today, I think we need to talk about something serious.
Serious? Oh no, am I in trouble again?
Not you. English is in trouble today.
English is in trouble? That sounds dramatic.
It is, because English in books and English in real life are acting like two completely different people.
Wait, like siblings who don't talk to each other?
Exactly. One is very polite, very perfect.
And the other?
The other is fast, messy, and a little chaotic.
That sounds like my brain at 3 p.m.
Same energy.
Honestly, Anna, I studied English for years.
Yes?
But when I hear real people speaking, I feel like I've never studied English in my life.
That feeling has a name.
What name?
Textbook shock.
That should be illegal.
It feels illegal.
In books, everything is like, hello, how are you today? I am fine, thank you.
Very calm, very royal.
But in real life, I hear, hey, what's up? Hey, you good? Yo.
And your brain is like, error 404, English not found.
Exactly.
Sometimes I understand every word, but still don't understand anything.
That's the most painful level of English learning.
It feels like I'm listening to English in another dimension.
Welcome to Real Life English Universe.
I didn't buy a ticket for this universe.
Let me tell you something important.
Please give me hope.
Real English is not perfect English.
That already sounds dangerous.
It's actually free.
Free?
Yes, no grammar prison.
I like that idea.
In books, you learn, I am going to visit my friend.
Yes, very clean sentence.
In real life, I'm gonna see my friend.
Gonna. I hear that everywhere.
Or even, gonna go.
That's barely English.
That's survival English.
So native speakers are breaking grammar rules?
Not breaking, bending.
That sounds like yoga for language.
Exactly. Fluent yoga.
I have a confession.
Oh no.
Sometimes I rehearse sentences in my head before speaking, and then real conversation changes everything.
Because real people don't wait for your rehearsal.
That's rude.
That's real life.
In books, conversations are so polite.
Yes.
In real life, people interrupt, laugh, stop mid-sentence.
And forget what they were saying.
That sounds like my family dinner.
That is real English training.
So what should learners do? Just suffer?
No, there is hope.
I love hope.
Listen to real English daily, not perfect English.
Like podcasts.
Yes, movies, YouTube, real conversations.
Even if I don't understand?
Especially then.
That sounds unfair.
That's how your brain learns patterns.
I feel like English learners need emotional support.
They do.
We should start a support group.
Hello, my name is David. I still can't understand fast English.
Hi, David.
Hi, David.
But seriously, why is real English so fast?
Because people are lazy.
That's honest.
We don't pronounce every word clearly in daily life.
So what are you doing becomes...
What you doing?
That's not English. That's magic.
But here is the good news.
I need good news.
You don't need perfect English to speak.
Really?
You need understandable English.
That feels lighter.
Let me tell you something emotional.
I'm ready.
Even native speakers make mistakes. Even they pause. Even they say,
So I'm not alone?
Never.
That actually feels comforting.
English is not a test.
Then what is it?
It's connection.
That sounds beautiful.
It's not about perfect sentences.
It's about being understood.
Exactly.
I think I used to be afraid of making mistakes. And now?
Now I think maybe mistakes are normal.
They are necessary.
That changes everything.
Let's quickly review today's emotional vocabulary.
Okay,
Confused,
real life,
messy,
natural,
flow,
understanding,
and the most important,
communication.
perfect.
All right, everyone. I feel like I survived a difficult English reality show today.
And you did well.
I'm still confused, but emotionally supported.
That's progress.
If you're listening and feel the same,
You are not alone,
real English is hard for everyone at first.
but it gets easier with time.
Don't forget to subscribe to English Learning Key.
And tell us in the comments.
Do you also feel textbook English is easy, real English is chaos?
We really want to know.
Take care, everyone, and remember,
English is not perfect.
it is human.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.